ASUS RT AX82U AiMesh setup failing. Step-by-step fix. Before attempting an AiMesh setup, ensure both your main RT AX82U router and any other ASUS router you are using as a node have the latest firmware installed. Log into each router's web interface, navigate to the administration section, and then to firmware upgrade. Check for new firmware and install it if available. Outdated firmware is a common cause of AiMesh setup failures. If you are using an existing ASUS router as an AiMesh node, it's highly recommended to perform a factory reset on it before attempting to add it to the AiMesh system. Power on the potential AiMesh node. Locate the reset button on the back of the router. Press and hold this button for about 5 to 10 seconds until the power light blinks rapidly. Release the button and the router will reset to its factory defaults. After factory resetting the node, place it physically near the main RT AX82U router for the initial setup. This close proximity ensures strong, reliable connection during the pairing process, which minimizes setup failure due to a weak signal. Power on the node and wait until its LED light shows a stable, ready-to-connect state. Log back in to the main RT AX82U router's web interface. Navigate to the AiMesh section. Click on Add AiMesh node or a similar option to start the search process. The main router will now look for available reset AiMesh nodes nearby. Once found, the node should appear on the screen. Select the node to begin the pairing. The pairing process will take several minutes. Do not interrupt it. You'll see a progress bar or status updates on the screen. Once the main router confirms the node is added, the node's LED should change to a color indicating a successful connection. After successful pairing, wait 5 to 10 minutes for the network to stabilize. Then power off the AiMesh node, move it to its final desired location, and power it back on. The node will automatically reconnect to the main router.